guys, we are currently working on Isaac's 04 ZX or zzr1200. We're pulling off the rear tire, or the rear wheel. Isaac's gonna get a different tire put on it to not be bald anymore, I guess. He's actually, so I mean, you can kind of see it. The tire's pretty bald.
The guy before us, he was obviously a highway driver.
Yeah. But I don't know what Isaac's plan is, but the guy that we talked to said that he could put a little bit of a smaller tire on it, and Isaac could turn a little bit better. But right now we're just pulling the axle out and getting the wheel off, and then we're gonna take it to him on, or I guess Isaac's gonna take it to him next week.
So right now we got the castle nut and the pin that hold the castle nut in, and that goes on the axle. We already hammered it out a little bit just to make it easy, but it goes on the end of the axle, and this little nut right here, that's the axle adjuster to make your bike drive straight, you know, to make sure your back tire is straight. And this washer goes on the other side where the license plate mount is, which is this, and then this is the seat and the stabilizer for the axle on this side. It just slides right in right there, and then the axle goes through that, and then the adjuster, whether it goes forward and backwards, pushes on this square bracket. So but yeah, now we just gotta take it to the shop, get it all fixed up. I am gonna order new rear brake pads, and then here in a little bit, probably in like a week or so, we're gonna take off the front wheel, throw some new rotors on there because they're warped. They were warped when I got the bike. There are some new pads on that. Throw another mirror on it, go get it inspected, registered, everything like that, and yeah, should be good to ride. But I'm gonna get this taken to the shop. Hopefully the guy lets us video it, maybe get some live action on the balancing and, you know, cool tire stuff. But we'll catch y'all whenever I get it to the shop. Alrighty, we got the old girl here. Oh yes sir, that new. So what we got going on right now is gonna throw the new back tire on, and getting the bike inspected on Wednesday. Gonna go get it registered, get my motorcycle license finally, and yeah, so some live action, let's go. ready to rip. So
New tire looks really good.
Oh,
You see it back here?
so much better than the old one.
Yeah, for sure. Looks a lot better, for sure.
190 still looks beefy on it.
Yeah, for sure. Looks good.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna get it inspected. That'll probably be in another video. Get it inspected, get it registered, get some actual riding footage, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.